Good night, teacher.
Good evening, everyone. How are you? Oops, my camera.
Good night, teacher.
Hi, Jocelyn. Okay. Esperemos un minuto a que se conecten los demás. Okay, we're going to continue. So, let me make sure my... Okay. So, okay, cool. So right now we're going to continue, and today, okay, before we dive into anything else, I want to show you some photos of a little friend. This one. Okay, antes de empezar, I'm going to show you this picture. Look at this. What is this? Do you know the name of this animal? ¿Saben el nombre de ese animal? You know the name? What is? What it is? ¿Qué es?
Es un mapache.
Okay, yeah, es un mapache. And how do we say mapache in English? ¿Cómo decimos mapache en inglés?
Raycon, algo así.
Yeah, raccoon. Yeah, this is a raccoon, okay? So, what happened with this raccoon? Look at this. He loves playing with boxes, okay? This is a box. Esto es una caja, right? This is a box. And this is a raccoon. Y vamos a poner aquí. Okay, so what happened with this raccoon? Look at them, look at this, and tell me, where is the raccoon? ¿Dónde está el raccoon?
Carton.
Tell me, where is this? Remember, this is a box. Box es una caja, right? This is a box. So where is the raccoon? Where is the raccoon? Yeah, in the box. Perfect. The raccoon is in the box. Look at this one. Look at the next picture. What happened with the same raccoon? Where is the raccoon? What about now? Where is he? Look at this. Where is he? Yeah, again, this is a box and this is a raccoon. But no, where is he? And this one, en esta, el raccoon, el mapache, está en la caja, right? The raccoon is in the box. What about this one? ¿Cómo decimos que está sobre la caja?
Above?
Ya, podría ser above, but in this case, the raccoon is on the box. Okay, on the box. Está on. What about this? This is easy. Esto es bastante fácil. This is pretty easy. What happened with this one? ¿Qué sucede con esto? With this raccoon. Where is he?
Teacher, maybe under
Yeah,
of the
perfect.
box.
Yeah, good job. The raccoon is under the boxes or under the table. Okay, puede estar debajo de la mesa, under the table, or under the boxes. Okay, the boxes, las cajas. Perfect, thank you so much. What about this one? What about now? Where is he? Where is he? Tell me, where is he? Okay, in this case,
Back.
yeah, you can say it back. Okay, cool. That's a good answer. What else? He's behind, okay? He is behind the boxes. This raccoon is behind the boxes. Okay. Esta sí. Yo creo que esta sí. Se la saben. What about this one? Look at this raccoon. Miren a este mapache. The raccoon is
Between in the of the boxes.
yeah, the raccoon is between, okay, between the boxes. Perfect. What about this? This is easy too. Well, in this case, the raccoon is in front of the box. In front of, and look at this one. This is cute. What about this one? This is the last one that we have here. When you are at the side of something, when you are close to something, cuando están cerca de algo, what word do you use? ¿Qué palabra usamos? What word do we use? Where is he? Where is he? Him. Okay, look at this. This one, the raccoon, is next to the box. Okay, so as you can see, today we are going to learn, we are going to remember, because you already know this, we're going to learn about prepositions of place. Vamos a recordar las preposiciones de lugar, okay? So here we have the first one. We have in. This is the first one. And a short definition for in, una definición corta, is that it's inside an enclosed space of a container. Ok, usamos del in cuando un objeto, una persona, una cosa está dentro de algo. Ok, dentro de un contenedor, dentro de un espacio cerrado. That's the reason why we say the raccoon is in the box. Por eso decimos está dentro, está en la caja, right? So we use in when the object is surrounded by boundaries. For example, the raccoon is inside of the limits of that box. Okay, el ratón, el mapache está rodeado, ¿verdad? De estas cajas, de esta caja prácticamente, de estos límites, right? So we use in when the object is inside of something. Okay, cuando el objeto está dentro de algo, usamos in. Okay, in. What happened with this one? On. Okay, what is the meaning of on in Spanish? ¿Qué es on en español? What is on?
Encima de.
Ya, encima o sobre de. Okay, so we use on when something, cuando algo, un objeto, una persona, una cosa, it's touching the surface of something. Está tocando la superficie. En ese caso decimos on, ¿ok? Cuando prácticamente toca la superficie de la mesa. For example, my computer is on the desk. Okay, mi computadora está en el escritorio. Está tocando, ¿ok? That's the difference with above, ¿ok? La diferencia con above es el on prácticamente toca la superficie. Está sobre algo, ok? So we use on when there is a physical contact with a surface, ok? Significa que toca la superficie de algo, ok? En español we can say sobre o encima de, ok? Then we have under. Under. What is the meaning of under? ¿Qué significa under in Spanish? Tell me.
Debajo de.
Debajo de. Below or covered by something. Okay. So we use under when something is below an object or lower than a surface. Okay. Usamos el under para decir que está debajo de una superficie. Ok. Cuando un objeto, igual objeto, persona, cosa, está debajo de una superficie. For example, just give me an example using under. Un ejemplo usando under. Yeah, the raccoon is under the table. What else? An example using under. Under. No? Okay, we're going to continue. Then we have behind. Okay, what is behind? Como alguien dijo. At the back of something. Okay, behind is at the back of something. Detrás de algo. Okay, so we use behind when an object is hidden or located at the back of another object, okay? O sea, prácticamente el behind es estar detrás de algo. Puede ser de un objeto, de una persona, de una cosa. So, that's behind, okay? Detrás de o atrás de. Cool. Then we have this one, in front of. So, in front of is the exact opposite of behind. Prácticamente es lo contrario de behind, ¿verdad? Este es detrás, este es delante. O enfrente de. In front of. For example, the raccoon is in front of the box. Está enfrente de la caja. Cool. Then we have next to. This is the last one. At the side of something beside. Okay, so we use next to when the distance between two objects is very short. Usamos el next to cuando la distancia entre dos objetos, dos personas, dos cosas es bastante corta. Okay, next to. And one is missing. Uno está desaparecido, es el behind. No, es el between. Okay, el between, it means that an object it's separate by two things. El between prácticamente es separado en el medio de dos cosas, ¿ok? So, para usar el between siempre debe haber dos objetos, ¿ok? Uno en un lado, otro en el otro lado y alguien en la mitad para poder usar el between. Okay, perfect. So right now we are going to practice. Vamos a practicar juntos porque si no nos confundimos. So can you see? ¿Pueden ver? ¿Le hago más grande?
No, teacher, sí se ve.
Okay, so the question is, where is the cat? Here we have a cat. Aquí tenemos un gato. Cat. Where's the cat? It's under the dog, it's next to the dog, or it's on the dog?
Sí, on the dog.
Yeah, it's on the dog. ¿Por qué? Porque toca la superficie del perro, right? Right. So, where is the cat? This one. Where is the cat? In the bowl. In front of the bowl. Or it's on the bowl.
It's in the bowl.
Yeah, it's in the bowl, right? Okay, where is the cat? Janelli, where's the cat? In front of the elephant, under the elephant, or on the elephant?
B.
B, okay. Can you read? ¿Puedes leer?
It's under the elephant.
Okay, it's under the elephant. Okay, cool. Thank you. What about this one? Where's the cat? A, B, C, Anaí. Please answer this one. Where's the cat? In front of the plant, under or behind?
A.
A. Okay, are you sure? Okay, A.
Behind, teacher.
Yeah, behind. Yeah, it's behind the plant. Está detrás de la planta. Okay, what about this one? Where's the cat? Oh, yeah, where's the cat? Camila. A, B, or C? Where's the cat, Cami? Cami's not here.
Teacher, es que es no se entiende. ¿Está adelante o al lado?
Yeah, that's a good question. Yeah, for me, para mí, it's next to the dog. Para mí está al lado del perro. Next to. Behind. Está detrás.
No,
It's
teacher,
impossible.
no está atrás del perro.
Yeah, it's under. No, it's next to. Perfect. Where is the cat? So let me choose this. Gabriel, where's the cat?
It is front of the car.
Yeah, perfect. It's in front of the car. Yeah, perfect. Look at this. This one is going to answer Zulema. Where's the cat? It's behind the house and the tree. It's between or it's in front of the house and the tree. Which one? Can you repeat, please?
La C.
La C. It's in front of the house.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. ¿Alguien que quiera responder a this one?
Is between the house and the tree.
Yeah, it's between. Perfect. Between. En medio de. Right? Look at this kitty. Mira el gatito. It's between the tree and the house. Está entre. Between. En medio de el árbol y la casa. Okay. So what about this one? Where's the cat? This one is for Jocelyn. It's under the wall, behind the wall, or next to the wall. Look at this. El gato está debajo de la pared, detrás de la pared o al lado de la pared. Next to the wall, behind the wall, under the wall.
La C.
Sí, ok, sí. Next to the wall. Para ser next to, debería estar aquí. El gato, en esta parte. Next to. Behind, debería estar atrás. Under. Well, in this case, I don't know. Which one? A or B? ¿Cuál de las dos creen ustedes?
A.
A.
Okay, A. Under, no, it's behind. Okay, this is a tricky question. So this is easy. Where's the cat? Esta es fácil. Okay, where's the cat?
It's on the chair.
Yeah, it's on the chair. Yeah, look at this. Where's the cat?
It's next to the tree.
Yeah, next to the tree. Perfect. This is easy too. Where's the cat?
It's in the box.
Yeah, it's in the box. Perfect. This one is going to answer this. Victoria, please help me with this one. Vicky.
It's in front of the house.
Yeah, perfect. It's in front of the house. This one is for Gary.
It's under the table.
Yeah, it's under the table. Cool. This one is for ¿quién te vas a aquí? Esteban. Christopher is not here.
It's on the cushion.
Yeah, it's on the cushion. Yeah, and this is the last one. Where is the cat? It's on the dog and the tiger. It's between the dog and the tiger, or it's behind the dog and the tiger.
It's between the dog and the tiger.
Yeah, it's between. Yeah. This is not too complicated, right? No es tan complicado. Okay, so right now, you are going to do this. Let me show you. You're going to have a minute to analyze this picture, to look this picture. Van a analizar esta imagen, okay? So, before that, I'm going to share a link with you. Voy a pasar un link, the Padlet, where you are going to do this. Where's what's up? Okay, look at this. You are going to look at the picture, then you should go to this link. You are going to click here. You know how it works. You are going to write your name. Don't forget, please, no se olviden de su nombre. Escriben su nombre. And you are going to write 5 sentences. Van a escribir 5 oraciones, ¿ok? Usando las preposiciones. For example, look at this. For example, the dog is between the box and the ball. Perfect? So you write, the dog is between, the dog is between, the dog is between the box and the ball. Yeah. So in that way, okay, the dog is between the box and the ball. 5 sentences using preposition of places. Okay, so you're going to have 5 minutes to do this. 5 minutos. Luego escriben la siguiente, ok. Escriben la siguiente, y cuando tengan las 5, publicar. Ok. It's clear, right? So let me share with you this picture. There you have. Aquí tienen la picture. 5 minutes.
Teacher, no sé si a mí me pasa, pero es que no me encuentro el link.
Está en WhatsApp. Bueno, lo voy a enviar acá a la sesión. Ok. ¿Ya tienen todos el link? Yes, no. Yeah, okay. Let me set the timer. 5 minutes, go. Okay, time is over. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 answers.
Están 6, teacher.
Okay, Gary.
7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7.
Están 7.
16.
17.
¿Dónde están los demás? Here. Let me copy your names. Okay, está Esteban, Adalis. Anaí. Camila. Chaneli. Gabriel, Gary y Araceli.
Teacher, no me deja enviar.
¿Mm? Tell me.
No me deja enviar.
No puedes enviar. ¿Por qué? ¿Qué sale? Ok. Si no puedes enviar,
No sé, directamente aprieto.
me puedes decir tus oraciones. Can you read your sentences?
A ver, es the fish in the fish bowl.
Okay.
The cake is in the table. The ball is between the dog and the table.
Yeah, perfect.
The book is next to the ball. The camera is in the basket.
Camera is in the basket. Cool. Okay. Vicky. ¿Qué más falta? Jocelyn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Falta Tatiana. ¿Qué más? La mayoría de gracias, cool. Soy nueva. Oh, okay. And your name is Isabel. ¿Tu nombre es Isabel? Raise your hand. Alza tu manito si es Isabel. Y si no, pon tu nombre. Ah, ok. Isabel Proaño. Okay, you are new. Okay, cool. Yeah, it's not difficult, right? No es difícil utilizar estas. Okay, so right now you are going to read. You are going to read this. Van a leer. And you are going to take notes. And then we are going to answer some questions. Okay? Van a leer, toman notas si es necesario. Y luego vamos a responder unas preguntitas. Aquí. So, ¿cuánto tiempo creen que necesitan para leer esto? ¿3 minutos? 5 minutes? Okay, I'm going to give you 5 minutes. Les voy a dar 5 minutos. Okay, so go, read, take notes, and then we're going to answer. So please go to Google and write quizzes. Escriban quizzes. En Google escriban quizzes. Así. Y ingresen con este código, ok? This one. I'm going to share the link. Enviar el link mejor. Okay. Ya tienen el link en el chat de esta sesión. Thank you. Hurry up, guys. We don't have time. Ya no tenemos mucho tiempo. Apuren, please.
Teacher, no puedo abrir cajón porque estoy con datos móviles.
¿Quién es? ¿Quién dijo eso? Can you repeat?
Anaí, teacher.
Ok, Anaí.
Teacher dice que espera hasta que el anfitrión comience.
Sí. Pero necesito que estén todos. Puede empezar solo con 2, 4, 6, 7. Ok. Nadie más. Ok. Okay, we are going to start. Okay, y empezó. Okay. Ya te doy bien, Esteban. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. 12 students. Okay, we don't have time. Ya no tenemos tiempo, chicos. Good job, Araceli. Good job, Esteban. Congratulations. Okay. So, prendan sus cámaras. Please, please, please. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, cool. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Thank you so much. Okay, so this is all for today. We see you the next week. La próxima clase les veo los resultados y les aviso, ¿ok? De los que quieran, claro está.
Thank you, teacher. Good night.
Okay, thank you
Thank
so
you, teacher.
much.
Good night.
Thank you for coming.
Thanks, goodbye.
Bye, teacher.
Okay, bye, bye, bye.
Thank you, teacher. Goodbye.
Bye, Jocelyn.